So this is just a brief. I just wanted to show you all. Okay. So let me explain few other things. Okay. So let's say so far I just wanted to make sure you guys understood the previous lectures. Okay. So from your laptop, you connect this cable, Ethernet cable Cat6. Okay. It's going through your wall outlet. This you can see this kind of port, network port will be there in each and every desk. We are having network ports and we will connect it from the laptop. The cable will go through this unless you connect through a Wi-Fi. Okay. Don't ask me someone is having internet without a cable. That is through the Wi-Fi. Okay. So this one we are considering about Ethernet connection. So LAN connection actually. So now the cable is connected and it's connected to the network port, and that from there here is connected to the keystone inside the faceplate. This is called the faceplate. Inside there is a keystone. So inside the keystone only the RJ45 clip will connect. Okay. And from that keystone one side it's connected. It means crimped. The keystone is crimped and it goes through all the way up to the network node. Okay, you can see here. So if you see this, all these orange color cables, 6 cables, you can see them. So these ones coming from the wall outlet directly coming, and these cables, these are not directly connected to the network switches in reality. Okay, when I showed in physical view, when you see the cables are directly being connected to the switches, right? But in reality, how we connect is it directly goes to the patch panel. Okay, just to avoid electrical hazards. So to protect the devices, we are uh, connecting to the patch panel first, and from the patch panel goes the patch cables will be connected to the switches. So here you can see all these cables in the green round. Okay, green circle. You can see all these are coming from the wall outlets. So this much of cables, actually even more, will come because in one particular floor there will be, let's say, like hundreds of people are there, means we're gonna have network connections, right? So hundreds of cables need to be there in the network. So that's how it's wired. Okay. So you see this one, the cable tie being connected and to arrangements. Okay. And here uh, on the patch panel, let me show you. So behind the patch panel, you can see in this marked area, this is the patch panel and how it's wired. Okay. So the next searchable topic you're going to search is how to punch a patch panel. Okay. Punching a patch panel is important because generally there's a color code as well for that one. In the patch panel itself, mostly it will be mentioned, like what do you call B code or A code standards are there. So mostly we will follow B code. Okay. So and the color code is shown there. And according to that you need to punch it. And mostly patch panel punching and keystone punching are going to be similar. Similar in the sense the standard I'm saying. B code is what we are going to punch. And you can search that as well. How to punch keystone and how to punch patch panel. Okay. So after punching the patch panel, you can see this is the rear view of patch panel. Okay. The front view will look like so. You can view there are this much of for each patch panel there will be like 24 the 45 ports. So you can simply let's see, where these cables are going to connect to the patch panel. Okay. From this patch panel, there will be cables we will connect to the switches. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. In this case, you see, from the wall outlet, the cables are going to the punch touch panel. Okay, you get my point? From the laptop to the wall outlet, from the wall outlet, it's going to the touch panel punch area, rear view. And the front of that patch panel, you will connect the patch cables and it goes to the switches. Okay, you can see this red circle. This is a RJ45 port, and here you view the RJ45 cable. This one we will call it as a patch cable. Sometimes it's longer, and actually in if you're connecting to the switch nearby, we will have half meter or 1 meter uh, patch cables. Okay, so we can use that. If it is too far, we will go for so now just if you want to connect it to the switch nearby this one, then you can just use 1 meter or less. Okay, patch panel, patch cables actually, and connect it. So here's how the connections you can see that one as well. This is the switch. Okay, from a different patch panel, the cable has been taken and connected to this switch. Actually, it's a 38 series switch, I think, and 24 ports. Okay, so far I hope you understood the topic. Okay, so this is important. You just want to know this way of saying. And in the switch, you can see the rear view. I'm just covering this part as well. So since the picture came in. So here you can see there is a green light. This module is the power module. Okay? And each switch has two power modules. So just for redundancy, one goes off if the switch is active because it's powered by the okay, and you can remove it as well by just clicking there's no so you can simply figure it out. That's not it's not rocket science, it's easy. Just you just need to pull it out, that's all. Okay, you can understand.